created. So that's why you have a choice to move around from C to B without going to A. Yep. So it means you have an imaginary line from C to B to figure out that you can just recourse your track from C to B. So that's why it doesn't mean that you will go from A to B, because it's too long. You see, it's like if this what is it? If this road plus this road, it means it's too long. But if I goes from C to B directly in the course, it's just an ordinary. Yep, it's just it's not so far, you know. So the Pythagorean theorem state that this is 90 degrees. This is angle A, angle B, and angle C. Okay, is the Pythagorean theorem stated that the side C, the side A and side B, stated that this is a formula stated that the roads of A and B, the roads of A and C and B and C is not is much more farther, it's much more longer than the side of C. That's why I stated that. So it means you can just find the distance of this C by just doing this theorem. So that's why you will not you will not you will not go from C to A and turn to A to B just to go to A to B. You will just recourse. That's why there is a Pythagorean. So let's redraw. Let's redraw this. This is the building C. This is the building B. This is the building D. Yep. And this is the building A. You just don't di ka na pupunta sa A, no? You just go around, you just recourse and go find some track to C to B. So that's your time and your energy will not consume, okay?